You get what I'm saying? I'm representing Jesus now. I used to go hard for my neighborhood for sure, but now it's all about God. So we're in the same and the best position. It's just Satan is trying to change it for evil, but God makes it good. You get what I'm saying?
Nice.
Amen.
Nice on my teammate.
Appreciate that.
Come to me. Come to me.